Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a major legal development where the Pakistani government has moved to the Supreme Court to challenge a stay order on 15% additional income tax imposed on banks. This case has significant implications for tax collection and banking sector. We will dive into the legal analysis, explore the related laws, and examine some of the famous cases to understand the broader implications. Let's get started. Legal analysis overview of the dispute. Islamabad High Court granted a stay order against 50% additional tax income on banks' excessive lending to the Financial Ministry. The Federal Board of Revenue is now seeking to vacate this stay order through civil petition for leave in Supreme Court. Legal arguments. The FPR argues that the additional tax introduced in 2002 aims to encourage banks to lend to industries rather than extending safe loans to the government. The petitioner banks contended that the tax is beyond the scope of money bill and violates Article 73 of the Constitution. Court ruling. The Islamabad High Court bar FPI from taking coercive action against the bank based on calculation made under Rule 6C and 6A of Income Tax Ordinance. This case is set for hearing on 3rd December. The wants to argue related law Income Tax Ordinance 2001 governs the taxation of income in Pakistan Constitution of Article 73 outlines the scope of money bill and legislative power of the parliament. Famous cases Askari Bank Limited versus FPR. Islamabad High Court granted stay to the Askari Bank Limited against the 15% additional income tax. Competing FPR efforts to meet tax collection. Super tax cases previously legal challenges involving super taxes on the bank have set precedent for the current dispute over the additional income tax. In conclusion, government moved to seek Supreme Court intervention in 15% tax dispute with banks highlighted the complexities of tax collection and the legal challenges faced by FPR. This outcome of this case has significant implications for the banking sector and the tax policy in Pakistan. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.